got a manual valve body, reverse valve body. Bet $2. That's a bet, Chad. On my
He lost, he red lighted.
Yeah, he red lighted. Go on, pay that $2 out, man. Send it to that cash app at the bottom of the right screen. Look out, racing. It's going down, man. Yeah, I'm gonna run that G body. He in my class. He was on the motor right there. You gonna take my car to your house? Okay, we got something slow coming up. Let's see what's all back here. Y'all already on my YouTube channel. Appreciate it, man. I had to put my channel in there, man, one time for the one time, man. I'm gonna have you on film anyway. So look out. I tried to throw it in there. There go the truck I'm betting with. What's up, big dog? There go the truck I love to bet with.
All out, man.
400 horsepower, 4L60. Nice, dude. Jag wheels. Oh yeah. What's up, Prince? We got Terry Hogg in the building with the chameleon paint. Still clean. He wiped it down before he got here. We got Fathead in the building. What's up, Fathead? You having a good day?
Yes, sir.
You subscribe to my YouTube channel.
Yes, sir.
Already, I was just making sure.
Oh, yeah.
Clutch. Okay, Southern Muscle Cars Club. Oh, let's go get that bet, y'all. God damn, I like this truck. I'm gonna bet. Hold up, what truck? What truck gonna race?
If you don't give an ounce of that, if you don't give an ounce
Hey
of
man,
that,
when you went to the cleaners, did you tell them fix the Go get that bet. I just told him I would. My feet ashy, man. I can't wear them. Right side, bit 5, Jag. That's a bit, Jag. I'm on the right side. Jag, you know my cash app at the bottom of the screen. Come on, baby, come on, here you go. Cash app at the bottom of the screen, man. Don't send that, Jag, before I start telling people you don't be paying your bets. Oh, shit, man. I be having too much fun, man. We got Jay Schaefer in the building, man. That's my boy. You know what I'm talking about? Got plenty of videos. Y'all check out his Facebook. It's uploaded with plenty of videos, getting millions of views, thousands, 100,000 views. Check out his YouTube channel, Jay Schaefer 16. What else I need? That's all you on, right?
You good. Facebook, Jay Schaefer.
Facebook, Jay Schaefer, man. He on there. He got badass videos in 4K, 1080p, looking good. He got that good zoom in and everything. Been doing it for years, man. Been doing it for years. He doing his thing, representing Dallas, Texas, going through all the events all around Dallas, Texas that he want to go to, that he like. He also into RC car racing. If y'all want to do something with some RC cars, you can still check out his page, Jay Schaefer 16, on YouTube and Facebook. This is my boy, man. Y'all check him out.
Appreciate the shout out.
Already, man.